Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel. It's a beautiful day. How you guys doing? What's up? I wanna just make sure I fix one little bug that we have with Bullet, and that is that I forgot. I really did forget. What is this doing here? What is this doing here? Bullet. I forgot to do this. Now if the velocity is less than x, of course it's gonna be, because I mean, yeah, because we're going the other way, right? I mean, like, what the hell? If this acceleration is greater than 0, else we're just going to do this. This is fine. If it's not accelerated, it's fine, because it's going to go towards the direction. But this is the problem here. Now, if I were to put it to 0.f, and I would play this, I'm pretty sure I'd get an okay result with whatever's happening. Let me just see if something's shooting me. Yep, now I'm getting an alright result. Alright, I'm getting an okay result no matter which way it's going, because yeah, it's fine. Like, look at that. There's no real issue. Now with the acceleration, the problem is that sorry, is that it's gonna like depend on this bullet here. And how am I gonna do this? Okay, if it's greater than 0, so if the direction is supposed to go this way, I'm going to do different checks. If it's supposed to go this way, I'm supposed to do different checks. So there's going to be a bunch of checks in here for the bullets to go correctly. Now, how did I do it in player movement? Player movement. So if the velocity is greater than 0, the drag, the what about the acceleration, bruh? Okay, so this takes care of everything. If current velocity, this direction. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna have to do it. If current velocity x is less than max velocity, and this direction is less than, greater than 0, dot x is greater than 0 dot f. So if we're going to the right, this acceleration, this direction multiplied by this multiplier. So we're gonna just do that, and then the other way around, if x is greater than minus this, and then this is less than 0, then I'm gonna add a, I'm gonna do the same thing. Well, if it's greater than less than max velocity, and I'm just gonna add it because direction is still gonna make it correct. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's just that there is an if statement right there. So what I could do, if it's the same thing, is I could do this, or I just hope that works, and then this direction dot y is greater than 0.f, or y. So hopefully now we shouldn't have a problem. Let's see if that works. So this basically lets it accelerate no matter what way it's going. So I think it's working now, since they're not bugging out. It's quickly accelerating. in enemy. Let's set the acceleration 5. Let's set it to 20. Start velocity at 1. See if this works. Yep, does work. Everything works now. Hell yeah. So we're going towards that player. That's good. Alright, so let's set it to 5. 1, the acceleration is at 0.2. It starts off at 1. This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. All right, guys, grills, we fixed that. We fixed that pretty quick. Now, I want to add a new type enemy as well. I want to add a something that is kind of, and I want to make these smaller. This is a little too big. Enemies are a little too big. How do I do that? Well, when I create them, I think here's where I do it. If it's move left, I set the scale 0.10. Let me make them a little smaller. 0.8. I just want to make everything a little smaller, including the player. 10. Now let me see. Just a little bit. Player's a little too big as well. I think. So that's good. Just scale that down a little bit. Those big ones. That means we'll be able to have more enemies on screen and have more room to wiggle. Everything will look a little bigger as well. So if I go into player and I set the sprite scale, the sprite scale is fine. The wings and everything is what I want to change. I want to set it to 6, 6, 6, 6. What if I make a float called overall scale, and it will just handle everything for me anytime I want to change this, and then set that to, well, we'll see how this looks. We'll see how this looks. I mean, it could be horrible, it could be good, but I mean, the gun is pretty huge. I mean, it looks cool. I mean, it's a little smaller. I don't know, guys. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think you get more space to work when you have something like this. And then you have the gun. The gun. Main gun sprite dot set scale. Where do we do that? Where do we even do that? That's the question. I don't even think we do that. Set texture. Set global bounds. Set center. That's about all we do. This deflector shield dot set scale. Let's do 0.8 f 0.8 f. Make it a little smaller. This main gun sprite. This main gun sprite dot set scale 0.6 f 0.6 f. Let me see. And I think the bullets are a little too big as well. This looks like puny now. It used to look nice. It looks a little too puny. 8. No, 8. 8. Okay, so let's make a boolean. No, a float overall scale. X scale. 0.7 f is what I want. Can I just do this? Yes, I can. Hell yeah. Okay. So this is how I'm going to initialize everything, just easily, quickly. And 0.8, 0.8. Let's say, yeah. Okay, so that's a little bigger. It's a little bigger, it's a little nicer. Just scale everything down a little bit. Scale the upgrades down and the pickups down. Or upgrades are fine. That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's fine. I gotta see the shield as well. Shield is good. Yeah, okay, cool. That's fine, I guess. Just a little smaller. I want to make the shield a little... Not shield's fine. I think I just want to make the main gun a little bit bigger to make it look cooler. And when we do bullet, do we get scale? Yes, we do. So when I shoot with the player, combat, when I shoot, I add the bullet. And where's the scale? I think the scale is the texture position scale. Texture position scale. 0.15. Let me see. Okay, so that's cool. That's a little smaller. All right. I would like to rotate that though. I mean, why is the bullet like that? Set rotation, set position. Did I do plus 180? If I just do this. That looks correct. That looks correct. Okay. Alright, so that's good, guys and grills. That's fine. What else do we want to do? What else we want to fix? We're just fixing stuff right now. Particle enemy player. Just made everything a little smaller. I don't know. I don't know. I think I want that enemy to be a little bigger though. The move left. Just a little bit. I mean, just a little bit. Just a little bit bigger. Because it's kind of supposed to be big. It's supposed to be dodgeable. Right? And I wonder where my hitbox is now. My hitbox is kind of weird, I think. Nah, it's fine. Now they look a little better. I like this. You know what? I like this size right now. I want to be able to see those, so those are good. These are good as well. Everything is good. Now, if I pause the game and I change some accessories to like something bigger, how does that look? It looks good. It looks nice. I like this. I like this a lot. And what if we were to have an upgrade? Now this is what I want to set up for in the next video. I want to have an upgrade where when I go to timers here, shoot timer, max is 10. I want to see if that will work. If I half it, it's going to shoot really fast. And the gun is still in position. That's good. I'm shooting stuff. So this is great. I love this. This is the upgrade I want to create. I want to create one that has unlimited shield for a certain amount of time. There's going to be an upgrade bar where you can get that. And it's just going to be shielding for a long time. So this is working. My gun is still on me. Hell yeah, this is gonna be nice. Cool. Okay, so let's start that off by 20. Go to enemy. Go to shoot timer max. Move left shoot. I think we need a 25 5 on that. It's too many bullets going around otherwise. Or 20 on that at least. Move left, follow, move left. Follow and then shoot. What about follow, shoot? Or like something that moves left, shoot. Then like, how do I do this though? I have bullet type. Move left, shoot, move fast. Okay, there's a bunch of stuff. Okay, so we'll work with that in the next one. I got people wanting to reach me again, but we're good. All right. So take care. I hope you learned something. I hope we fixed all our issues here. Fixed a bunch of issues. And thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. All right. Bye bye.